To add an indicator on TradingView, start by logging into your account and navigating to the chart where you want to add the indicator. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen, which looks like a small chart icon. This will open up the indicator window where you can browse through various categories of indicators. You can browse through the different categories such as trend, momentum, volatility, and others to find the indicator you want to add. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific indicator by typing its name. Once you find the indicator you want to add, click on it and it will be added to your chart. You can then adjust the settings of the indicator by clicking on the gear icon next to it. This will open up the settings window where you can adjust parameters such as the length, source, and color of the indicator. You can also add multiple indicators to your chart by repeating the process. To remove an indicator, simply click on the cross icon next to it. It is also possible to create your own custom indicators using the Pine script editor, which is a programming language used by TradingView. To access the Pine script editor, click on the Pine editor button at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the editor where you can write and debug your own custom indicators. You can also use the pre-built functions and variables provided by TradingView to make it easier to create your own indicators. By following these steps, you can easily add indicators to your chart on TradingView and start using them to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always backtest and validate any indicator before using it in live trading.